There are many different ways to make $10,000 per month with AI, but today I'm going to show you what I think is the best method of them all to build a real AI business that actually works. And I promise you, this is going to blow your mind. So the very first step we want to take is go here on Google and type bot.new. Bot.new is one of those tools that makes ChatGPT look like it's from the Stone Ages. It's literally crazy. What this allows you to do is build fully functional, custom-coded sites and web apps without you needing to write a single line of code. And we're going to be using it in this case to build a website for our AI automations agency. So all I'm going to say here is build me a website for my AI agency. Boom. And as you can see, bot started working, and while it's coding everything for us, I want to take a second and explain to you how the AI automation agency model works, which I've been doing for the past 8 months now. What we do as AI automation agencies is help businesses become intelligent by implementing AI into their operations. There are different platforms and tools that allow you to build AI agents and AI workflows that we're going to be using in order to sell to businesses in exchange for money. In this specific video, I'm going to be showing you how to build an AI voice agent that answers inbound calls, books appointments, answers FAQs, the whole 9 yards, and we're going to be selling that voice agent to different restaurants, and I'm going to show you how to do all that in this video. So as you can see, bot.new came up with this good looking website for us, transforming business with AI. And of course, you can go on and give it additional prompts and it's going to make changes to it. I already have mine ready, so I'm not going to be going through that process entirely, but if you want something similar to what I'm going to show you right now, then just play around with it, ask it to make different changes, and it's going to give you a website similar to this one right here. As you can see, perfect timing, building intelligent businesses in the AI revolution. This is my website right here. You can see it's dynamic. It has some graphics to it. It even has an ROI calculator for AI voice agents, and it looks pretty sick. Now, if you want to take this website public, all you have to do is click here where it says